there had been a lot of problems in the industry, in particular with respect to the major shareholders who are Banks Holdings and Belize Citrus Growers Association via their investment company. The matter had, I think, accelerated to a point where there was a suit in court for breach of the investment agreement and a counter-suit also for breach of the investment agreement. You will recall that early this year there was a restructuring, there was a memorandum of understanding that had several clauses in it, and there was a restructuring of the board of directors. There was a sale of a percentage of the shareholdings by Citrus Growers Association in settlement of their debt to Social Security. Since that time, I assumed the chairmanship of CPBL, and we've been working together to try to move the industry forward. And I think we've accomplished quite a bit so far. A number of the issues that I think were the major points of dissension, in particular by CGA, has been resolved. You will recall that there was quite a bit of action to remove the CEO. There has been an amicable separation between the CEO. The CEO has departed, has resigned from the institution, and that was done with mutual interest. In addition to that, one of the final matters was the lawsuit for breach and counter-breach, and counter-lawsuit for breach. It really isn't right for us to move forward with this kind of litigation between the two significant shareholders. I don't think it rings well in the industry. And so efforts were made to resolve that, and the parties on, I think it was November 13th, about 2 weeks ago, went to the courts and withdraw, or pretty much told the court that the matter had been settled, so that there was conclusion on it and so that it cannot be brought back up in that form, and withdrew the matter. And I think that rings well for the industry.